Hello, sweethearts. Welcome to tutorial for Feeling Hot by Omar. Let's get started. Feet in a nice wide position, arms up overhead. This is going to be the theme of the song. We go hot, hot, hot together. Salsa right, salsa left. Now in that salsa left, right at the beginning, we're not going to bring it all the way, and we're going to get right to begin to go hot, hot, hot. In, pop, 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 out, hot, hot, hot. In, tap, tap, tap. This time a full one, and we're going to take a walk. We walk 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Hot, hot, hot. Together, salsa, salsa. Again, walk. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Tap, 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 tap. Let's see that face in the front. So the intro, we're going to have the hip start. Bum, bum, bum. Tap, 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 tap. And bum, bum, bum. Tap, tap, tap. First verse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hot, hot, hot. Salsa, dun, dun, dun. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and hot, hot, hot. Together, salsa and salsa. Good. Wonderful. Next section, we're going to take it up to the mirror. We're going to start with that right foot. We're going to walk up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side, left side. Arms curve on the way up. You do a little salsa arm here. When we go to the side, we're going to shake and shimmy and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Face in the front. We just came here. 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun, dun. Then we take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake and shake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, tap, tap. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we just came back 4 walks, shimmy and shimmy. Now for the booty. We're gonna go tap, tap, pump, pump. Arms are gonna turn right here, pump and pump. 4 of those. Pump, pump, pump. 2 more. Pump, pump. 1 more. And pump and pump. But as we're doing the turns, we're gonna shake, shake, shake. And as we pump, we're really going to pump the hips. Yeah. Bump, bump, bump. I'll show a face in the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake, 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 shake. Pump and pump. 2 more. Shake, 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 shake. Pump and pump. And shake, 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 shake. Pump and pump. Then we go around the world. Ole, 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 ole. We sing ole, 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 ole. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Together, salsa, get ready. Hot, hot, hot. Salsa and salsa. Good. Wonderful. After that, ole, ole, and the hot, hot, hot 2 times, right and left. We take that right foot. We rock and chasse, double clap. Rock with the hips. Tap, tap. Rock, tap, tap, rock. Then we pump, pump, chasse, pump, pump. Both arms, pump, pump, and pump, pump. Again, we walk up to the front. We shake, and back, and back, and shake, and shake. Let's see that mambo chasse to the front. We do our last one. Hot, hot, hot. Pop, pop, pop. Right foot, mambo. Bump, bump. 4 more now. Just go pump, pump. Tap, 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 pump. Ooh, ooh, pump. Tap, 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 pump. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy and shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy and shake. Fabulous. We go right back into that booty shaking and pumping 4, 4. Again, back into our ole oles all the way around. Everyone singing. We go into our hot, hot, hot 2 times. Again, hot, hot, hot 2 times. Back into that mambo chasse for 4. 4 with the pumps. Tap, 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 tap. And then we have our bridge. All right, now time for the bridge. We have the hips. We go 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. But we're gonna add some arms. It goes cross, shoulders up, and cross, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3. With the hips. 1, 2, 3, pa, pa, pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, hot, hot, hot. How you feeling? Hot, 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 hot. And the last one, we shake, 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 shake to get ready for those booties one more time. And the pumps, and our ole-oles around. Let's see that part facing the front. So we just did our second set of chassés. We're on the pumps. Pump, 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 pump. 2 more. Pump. Ta, ta, ta. Here's the bridge. How are you feeling? Hip, hip, hip. How are you feeling? Hip. Now arms. How are you feeling? Arms up. We cross, open, down. How are you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. How are you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. How are you feeling? Hot, hot, hot. How are you feeling? Shake, shake, shake. Booty. Bum, 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 bum. Pump. Shake it. Ta, 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 ta. Again. Ta, 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 ta. Pump. One more. Really shake booty. Booty, booty. Pump. We go. Last time. Ole, 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 oh. Wave the flags. Ole, 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 ole. Last one. Hot, hot, hot. Ta, 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 ta. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Ta, 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 ta. And done. That's all the choreography. Let's dance it.